You want to stand up?
Yes! You're a little sexy ma'am, ain't you? Yes, ma'am.
On December 11th, 2025, officers responded to a report of a suspicious individual on private property.
215, 1012 with RP.
He looked at me behind the vehicles, and then I went to one of the vehicles to confront him, and he was gone. I hear him yelling out this way.
Is there any way to get over there?
Yeah. If you walk around the building to the left hand side, there's just wood back there. And I can hear somebody running in the backyard.
Flight Charlie 215, are you 1012 at 7 Marketplace?
That's 10-4. Charlie 215 back.
Go ahead.
Hey, what number is that over there? Is that 5? Okay.
Go ahead.
RP's advising he went inside the wood line next to 7 Marketplace. There's a fence blocking me, so I'll have to go around. All right.
Appreciate you.
Yep. Did you take anything?
Not that I'm aware of, but I watched him like literally get inside of this vehicle. I closed the door, and then I went to confront him, and he was gone.
Did you hop the fence?
I don't know. I didn't see where he went. I was working on this doorknob. I thought maybe he worked for my other business owner next to me. So I didn't think much of it, and then I was like, I should probably go check that out. So I grabbed my firearm and I walked over there, and he was gone by that point.
You have your firearm on you now?
I do.
Okay. Is this your car?
No, this is one of the customers' vehicles to the business owner that shares the unit next to me.
Got it. Okay.
I watched.
Does anything look torn up or anything like that?
I mean, to be honest, I don't know.
Okay. Any other car he went inside or
He went
anything?
in this one, and he went into this one.
He went inside?
Yes, and then
Flight Charlie 212.
that Kia on the side of the house was running. He found the key under the mat, and he had started it. It was running. I went out.
Okay,
there
you were
and turned
watching
it
him
off.
this entire time?
Copy.
No. So I came out back, opened the door. He was standing like kind of close to that palm tree.
The 215 on LE3.
On 3, go ahead.
I just saw somebody. He was standing kind of like right
Trying
by
to
that
figure it
palm
out this
tree,
time.
and I was like, "Hey, what's up?" And then he didn't. He just looked at me, didn't say a word. Opened the door to that Mercedes, leaned into it, closed it. Opened the door to the Chrysler, leaned into it, closed it, and then got inside of the Honda.
Okay.
And then I went back inside, grabbed my firearm, walked up to the Honda, and he was gone.
Got it. Okay. That's him. Hey, Sheriff's Office. Hey, buddy, you're not in trouble. You mind if I talk with you for a second? Hey, how do I get behind the fence? Hey, you're not in trouble. Charlie 215, 1012 right now. What's going on, buddy?
Charlie 215, advise your 1012 with the mail. Do you have a 1020?
It's going to be at 7 Market. All right, here, let's open this up, okay?
I need to go home.
Okay, come over here. You all right?
Yes, sir.
You lost?
Yeah.
All right, we got to open this up, all right? Can you fit through that?
Yeah. 46 Palmley Lane.
All right. Just 1 second, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just hang tight. What's your name?
Brett.
Brett?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd you get all the way out here?
I got lost.
You got lost?
Yeah.
Where you coming from?
I'm sorry, dude.
You're okay. You're not in trouble.
I feel like I am.
You're not in trouble at all, okay?
I appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem. I don't do handshakes right now, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to pat you down really quick, make sure you got nothing on you, okay?
Okay.
10-4.
Where you coming from?
46 Palmley Lane.
Palmwood Lane?
What's in here?
Yeah.
What's that? Is it your AirPods?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you doing up here? What you doing up here?
I got lost.
You got lost? So what are you
Yeah.
looking for? What? Speak.
Something to drink.
Something to drink. Okay, so you got lost. And you're looking for something to drink. Where are you going?
I don't know. It's Recovery Village.
To where?
To Recovery Village.
To Recovery Village. What's that?
A rehab.
Where's that at?
In Rematilla.
Rematilla? Where's that?
In Lake Village.
What do you need to go to rehab for? Alcohol or narcotics?
Mental health.
Mental health? Is it rehab for mental health?
Yeah.
What mental health issues do you have?
Dude, come on.
Be honest with me.
please.
I'm asking questions for a reason.
Methamphetamine?
Methamphetamine? Are you on it right now?
No, I'm on cough syrup.
You're on cough syrup right now.
Yeah.
Alright, why are you rummaging through cars that are not yours? Why are you on a property that is not yours?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Dude. I just want to go home.
Why? If you wanted to go home, you'd be home right now, wouldn't you? But instead, you're going through cars that are not yours on a property that's not yours in a back, dark corner of the street. You're nowhere close to your house. You see my issue?
Yeah.
Alright. So let's not lie. Did you give me your name yet?
Yeah, Brett.
Alright. Where's your
Grab
RP?
your full name, okay?
You called us?
Yes, sir.
This is your property?
Yeah.
Alright, what cars did he go through?
All three of those cars right there.
Okay, do you know if he took anything?
I do not. I didn't see him take anything. I watched him get inside of the black Honda and close the door. And then I ran inside to grab my firearm, ran back out, and he was gone.
Got it. Do you want to press charges? It would be burglary and possible theft if he took anything.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
Yeah.
Where'd you find him? Back here?
Yeah, he was back here behind the...
What are you doing back there?
How'd you get over there? Behind the fence?
Picking up cigarettes.
No, how'd you get over there?
I don't know, dude.
How'd you get that? You open it?
No, it was like this, and I opened it, and he came walking through. Why are you picking up cigarettes?
Because I'm smoking. Does it make sense?
We're just trying to figure it out, man, okay? Yeah, obviously, this is something concerning. You're nowhere near where you should be. This is a closed business area. You're going through cars. He said you turned one on. You found the keys for that and you turned it on?
Secure. Hand them in your bag.
Calm down.
On! What are you yelling at?
You!
No, you're not.
Yes, I am!
On the ground.
Shut the up! You stupid! You're a cultural. You're
One secured. So far.
you're
We've got to use 51.
yeah. You like when you gets
225. Males
a little
have.
small.
And you messing around.
Little
His head hit the floor. You okay? What's your name?
Brett.
Brett, look. I'm Deputy Dorsey. I want to explain things to you. I want you to listen. Are you okay?
Yes.
You want to stand up?
Yes. You're a little. Ain't you?
Charlie 215, go ahead.
Yeah. You're a little.
Alright.
Yeah, a little. You little bitch, ain't you? You little small.
I need you to understand that your comments don't affect me.
Shut the up!
I don't know why you're upset.
Shut the up!
Alright, spread your feet.
Going through. Try to make these so they're not so tight on you, alright? Give me a break.
Shut the up, dude.
Alright.
Dude, you're a little.
Calm
Dude.
down, calm down. Keep your chest up against the vehicle, okay?
Dude, shut the up! You're a little too. You're me small. Shut the up! You're being extra tight, ain't you?
You're gonna go back on the floor if you don't stop.
Shut the up! You're a little sexy ma'am, ain't you? Yes, ma'am. You're a little sexy, ma'am. You're a little sexy ass. Fucking A, dude. These shit, dude. These shut the up.
Let's come back on the ground.
Alright. Stop!
Do me a favor. We'll call you out for a second, alright?
Shut the up.
Skills press charges, by the way. B&E, 3 cars. He turned one of them on, he said?
Yeah.
Can you relax? Look, can you relax?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna stand you back up. Or do you want to sit on the floor?
Please sit up.
Alright, just sit, alright?
Alright. Hey, dude.
Drop my chest from back there.
You're a little sexy now.
Look up real quick. Alright.
Stay on the ground.
You're gonna be burglary, at least, and resisting. He went to the back of this property, went through 3 cars, turned one of them on, and then was found behind a secured gate in the empty lot. Don't know what's going on back there. I showed up. Not gonna bust. Oh, that's all. Business owner.
So nothing damaged? Nothing taken inside the vehicles?
Nothing found on him right now. All from cigarette butts and a vape that dropped back there.
So nothing taken from the vehicle?
Yeah,
I know?
nothing
No.
taken, nothing
I haven't got
damaged,
that far.
anything like that.
Okay. Have you guys gone back to the Come on, please take
He showed me the 3, and while he was showing me, he came across, so I got 10-12 with him.
Yeah, and I never entered any vehicles back there.
What's up, man?
Hello.
What are we doing?
Ned's coming.
Whatever, mid. Not bleeding hard, but.
Hey, brother, sexy.
Sit down.
Hey, dude. Y'all.
What are you doing with your legs? Stop
Hold on
moving
for a
around.
second.
Shut the f up.
Yeah.
Shut the f up.
You want something?
Yes.
What's that?
Shut the f up.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna throw you back out.
Put him in the car.
Shut the f up.
Yeah, let's just put him in the car.
Was yours?
Unlock it.
Or no?
The suspect was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, burglary of a conveyance, and loitering. Do you think the situation could have been avoided, or was the outcome justified? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.